Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a boomerang on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video here, and I'm going to basically split them into multiple parts here, and let's do this one where it's like coming down. You can certainly make them a little bit faster as well, just to give it that effect, because the video is in kind of like slow-mo. So then copy and paste the video and place it next to each other like so, and this one. And on the second video you're going to reverse all of the clips on the second clip that they have to create the boomerang effect. Let's just do that to everything. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!